Hey guys, welcome back to Mexico Nursery. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. Nursery is like kind of a big mess still because we just did the pool day really recently and I haven't really had a chance to like clean it up because we're about to leave. And so I've had other things to do, like preparing to leave the house and whatever. But the reason we're going is we're actually going camping, and I thought it would be really fun to bring Miss Amilia here to camp with us, and yeah, and then right after we get back, actually, we're gonna get Samantha, so that should be fun. Yeah, but we need to pack for camping, and so yeah, come back with us. Okay, so I couldn't decide which of these bags to use, but then pack your stuff, and then I remember that this bag has all the stuff in it, and this bag obviously does not. And so I think we're going to be going with this adorable little flower bag, and it's a bit of a difference because we don't see it as often, so that should be fun. Amelia's got her underwear diaper on too now, so that should be good. But first things first, whenever you're packing something, you need to kind of make a list in a way, or at least a general idea. So my general idea is that we're gonna need some outfits and some like things to take care of her hair, and then some things to do in the car, and yeah. So most of the clothes that fit Amilia are actually just in here. So like we have this outfit. She wears a lot. So yeah, we have that outfit. Okay, here. We have her pajamas, obviously. And this little like romper. I don't know. We'll probably be wearing those at night. But we need kind of some daytime clothes because yeah, we're gonna be outside. It's gonna be very hot, I'm guessing. So like something like this is good. Now I know we also have somewhere, no clue where it is. Here in the laundry basket over here, we have some of Amelia's clothes too. Like we have this onesie, and we should have her overalls in here somewhere. Should. No idea. Okay, we also have some of Cece's clothes. I think Amelia's smaller than Cece, but I think they do generally wear kind of the same general things. Here, like this is the outfit Cece came in. Let's see. Okay, do you think that would, like, it's long sleeve, but that may fit her. I don't know. Like the pants. I think we're gonna need some pants. So we have these two. These are inside out, but we have these pants for her. And then we're gonna need some shirts. Like we have her pink shirt. Yeah, I don't know where her pink shirt and overalls were. Okay, so we. Oh look, I'm so smart. I think I found her overalls. I don't know where her pink shirt is. There's so much pink in this nursery. Okay. Don't mind me. So we have her onesie right here, and then of course her You're so helpful. And then, of course, her overalls. And then it's like little pink flower shirt. And I don't wear her like pink heart shirt with, but yeah. So my sisters also have like a good amount of doll clothes, like for their own dolls. So I'm gonna go look and see if I can steal some of their clothes, for her to wear on the trip too. So I'm gonna look at that. Okay, so I went looking. By the way, not all of these are necessarily my siblings. Because I've had Amilia and Lucy for years, so I got lots of things. Okay, so I found these little pajamas. It also has a matching hat, but hats don't really work super well with Amilia. So yeah. And then, that's not mine. But then we have, oh my goodness, sorry. Then we have this nice little, what's this called? Ice cream little like jean shirt. She has worn this in years past, actually. I have like pictures that I took of her, like when I was like probably 6 or 7, wearing this shirt. Anyway, okay, so we have that. And then we have this little Cabbage Patch Kids, like, long sleeve shirt. She'd probably, like, wear it under her overall or something, but that's if it gets super cold. I don't know if it will. And then we also have this little tank top, which is actually given, like, to her. So we have this little tank top and little matching pants. They're just so adorable, don't you think? Oh my gosh. Yes, I am definitely packing those. And then these are my little sister's Crocs. They're big for Amilia, but I don't know, they could be really cute for like things, so I think we might pack those. Now, speaking of if it gets really cold, over here we have jackets, but what you don't normally see is that we have some smaller jackets, okay? So this is actually Lucy's sweater, and then this is Amelia's sweater. Get off of its tiny little hanger. This is Amelia's little jacket. It actually came with a tank top and pants, but in case it gets cold, we have that. Okay, so that's her clothes. I don't know, I might take some of those out, but okay. Okay, so I went and I found some hair accessories for Amilia, and then some things for her to do in the car. I got her dolls, her puppets, her little notebook, and colored pencils. I also got her Squishmallow and her favorite stuffed animal. And then I also found this little cutie pie backpack. So I think we're going to be using that instead of the other bag. So yeah. Let's just get it on the backpack. Alright, we need to get Amelia's clothes on. So, I'm gonna dress Amilia and then put it into the backpack, and yeah, we'll be ready to go. We're ready to go.
I want to have one of those names. She always copies me, I complained. Imitation is the sincerest form of flattery, Mom reminded me.
Here we are, stuck in the car. Stuck in the car forever.
deers. Oh my gosh.
You got mustard on your face.
Oh, another one.
And that happened when we camped.
That's when we make hot dogs. You guys like only two.
I took them out and took yours out. Becca, he told us anything that smells, including toothpaste, to either lock up or keep in your car. I don't actually understand why riding in the car was that stressful.
Well, you're taking
Once we
care.
got here, it calmed down.
It like disappeared.
Car.
Went wrong way.
It's a deer.
Why is it so big? I feel like I could ride it. But it can be. It's not that fast right now. Come on. It's a deer. Hi, dear. You've been really nice. I want to pet it.
No, we don't pet.
You always go on the right side of the road.
Jaden. Spirit.
Come back from the dead.
It's a spirit. It's a spirit in the water. It's a spirit in darkness.
You guys and Allison is we're all on the side.
Yeah, I'm partially on the side.
Allison, you have that wall. I have this wall. And Megan has that wall.
And we all have the middle, so we can play like cave.
Fine. We gotta turn this on and face it as the brightness. Can you see us?
That is no fire. No. You can move. It's so smoking. That's smoking like point of fire. It was very hard to go to the bathroom last night.
Well, I wasn't thinking I'd make a fire this morning, but it's almost more necessary to have a fire in the morning than at night.
Because it's tingling. No way.
Well, that's what. Ow. What?
Not you.
Oh my.
So it's mostly. When we get back, it'll mostly be on 10. I think Dad knows where we're going. Because this is a hard hike. Yeah. This is. Wait! impressed by all of this, my lightning pink. The most impressed. Whoa, I don't know who slips down there.
Look.
This is gonna be hard. Oh no, badminton beam again.
There's another stable log you can walk through.
I'm going very slowly.
This is a very fun way of moving around, just walking on logs. Don't you think?
I don't want to fall off
Yeah.
again.
Whoa!
Yeah, this way, Thomas.
You gotta make it swim fast.
What? I didn't do it.
Okay.
Well, okay. It's okay. I'm almost there. You're walking a long time. Almost there. You like the water? Yeah, there's a lot of little rocks. Okay. Woohoo! There's your sandcastle. Like your sandcastle.
At least 40 pounds. I don't think he does yet.
I think he's like 37 or 38. So very soon, maybe Christmas time.
You're gonna end when Megan goes. Okay?
Can I see? Fine. Let's play, Jared. She's not in here.
If you have neither of those, then I would.
I don't think so.
Okay, so we could. Jared, come back behind the rocks.
It's so beautiful. It's going that way, the opposite way we're going.
See the water down there?
You want the rest of my pencils or your own friends.
Raisins.
What did you say, Dad?
You want some peanuts and raisins?
I don't want the
You got a few minutes.
I'm coming on. I can't like walk.
Yeah. Okay, so let's share it over here.
Oh, sorry.
The soul is good. And he can't get a thing.
The faster they get it done, or right on time, they get lunch.
Starting out under you did recorded like 7 minutes.
Here we are at Punxsutawney Phil. It's cold, cold, cold.
Probably 12, 14.
Groundhog Day.
Yeah.
Phil?
So it's plus or minus 10 minutes, I guess, from 12.
Somebody hit
I see smoke going up.
Throw some poop at it. I think that's what it is. Nobody sacrificed their dog to the lava.
I just pointed away from that.
I think it's happening.
He was excited.
If it explodes right now,
There it is.
I saw water.
Something's happening.
Oh my gosh. See water. Oh!
No way, it still has
Oh my, what?
It's gonna go for a little while.
That's so much water.
Dude, you can't even see the bottom part of the geyser anymore.
Gosh.
You can see where it's spraying though.
I can't like
Bro,
that.
that's so chill.
Yeah, it's real
Oh
hot.
my gosh.
Still going. Look
So much steam.
at the water. Yeah, that's a lot of water. I understand how there's so little like plant life right next to it.
Yeah. It would kind of like.
faithfully almost there.
Dude, this is what all people are waiting for. Like so many people.
Oh my goodness.
Dude, look, it's cowering before the sun. See, then it goes higher.
Yeah, I was just thinking that. You're gonna have fun. Let it know we like it. But you do it again. More. Encore.
Is that how water works exactly?
Getting lower and lower.
Yeah, my
That's so much steam.
It's still going.
Oh my gosh.
It's not done. Look.
Are you zooming in and out, or are you going in the ground and catching? It does. It goes.
Yeah.
So who sacrificed their dog? Who did it? It's still going? What the heck? It's still going.
This happens like every 45 minutes. Oh my goodness. Where does all the water come from?
Making clouds.
Exclusively.
No, I think they die.
For like minutes at a time.
The second letter.
No, I'm pretty sure they probably looked at this and thought it was like a
You
god.
can't move that.
Especially because why is the water so hot? Or at least sacrifice. Why is the water so hot? Maybe they did sacrifices here.
Okay, sure. Anybody get me on my list?
Hey, look, it's this chair.
Oh my goodness.
Now it's just like steam with water splashing out.
It's so bright.
Yes.
You like that? Yeah, that was cool. Come on, let's go.
That's a lot of ice cream. Look at mine. I have even more ice cream on top.
That's where they do. This is where God.
Whoa.
His jacuzzi right there.
That's another one of those pools.
Yeah.
No. Why does it say do not show on
It says that in the red letters.
the stream attached?
When they have movies where they have inhospitable environments, like alien places that humans can't survive, kind of look like this. Going again. Okay, sir. We're on the water side of it.
I don't like this.
Old people giving us the shower.
We gotta go back now. Oh, Amelia. Was that too tiring? It's okay. Just take a little nap.
Tonight is so beautiful. And then I like
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, sit down. Back up.
Yeah, you can.
Not in my sleeping bag. I done? very big go up.
Take a look.
Happy birthday to the rat. Yeah.
And then you get the bow, then you give to the bow wow. Okay. Big tent.
Look at that. That's so funny. Yeah, it's just inching up the wall.
What?
That looks so weird.
It's an inchworm? It's an inchworm?
So weird.
I like the cloud better.
So
Hi, Jared.
where's my food?
Back there.
Why does it say the
Food's
We're almost home. Okay, guys, we're back. Like I said, the nursery is still a very much mess. Yeah. I didn't have any time to clean it up because I was camping, as you just saw. But Samantha's coming tomorrow. Just they got to get by the time that I get Samantha. My words are mixing up. It's okay. But you guys will have seen that by the time this video's out. It's gonna take some time to edit. Yeah, I do think I will mute some of the clips and then like put music in them or a voiceover or something. Because there are some clips where there are other people talking, and to respect people's privacy and things, I'm just gonna take that out. But yeah, anyways, that's that. You guys get to see the nursery without Samantha in it for a little bit. But yeah, I need to clean this place up. I wonder if I could like do a transition, something like this. Okay, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, was that a transition or what? Oh my gosh. So much cleaner and everything. Okay, that only didn't take like 3 hours or something, but everyone's dressed and adorable. Oh my gosh, I love everyone's little outfits, so they're so cute. And I like rinsed off all the silicones and powdered them with baby powder and made a little bit of a mess with it, but we're okay. So that's that. I don't know, I just rewatched the clip I took before this, and I noticed I was a little bit glitchy. Sorry about that. Amilia is off getting herself washed because she smells like smoke, but that's good. We're good. If you enjoyed the video, please consider liking and subscribing, and comment a little tent emoji, kind of like this one right here. And I will See you in another video. Bye.